Hi guys, this is a video to give you the walkthrough on how to use Flipgrid. So your Flipgrid assignments will be on your Schoology page right here, and it says Monday check-in on Flipgrid. So these are usually due on Mondays, so I'll assign them the week before, and then you can work on them and have them in by the following Monday. So when there's a Flipgrid assignment, you're going to click on the folder. And here's our first assignment, which is your best book ever. Here's your instructions. Watch my example video always first, because I'm going to show you and model for you exactly how I want it done. You're going to read the instructions that are on the Flipgrid. You're going to record your video, take a selfie, have fun with that, put some stickers on there, anything to attract your fellow classmates to watch. Then you're going to watch a few videos and enjoy. So this one will be easy. Sometimes I have you record a response, but this is our first one, so we're going to just practice a little bit with our own responses. So when you click this in Schoology, you'll notice that it's embedded right here for you. So there will always be some instructions of what I want you to do right on the Flipgrid. So if you scroll up a little bit, all right. Your question that I want you to answer is, what is the best book you've ever read and why? And I want you to answer the question by recording a video using the following criteria. It must be a high school level book, and it must be at least 200 pages long. Show the book or upload a photo of the cover, and you can see I did that right here. And that's pretty easy because you have some options that you can use, and then one of them is to upload a photo if you haven't used Flipgrid before. It's super easy. I want you to tell us the genre of your book. Is it a romance, mystery, sports, memoir, etc.? What did you love about the book? What was the book about? Give us a short summary. And who might enjoy the book? What kind of reader do you think would enjoy the book? So once you know what is expected in your video, you can watch mine, because I'm going to follow the instructions and model for you exactly what I want. This video is about 3 minutes long, so you'll want to watch that first. And then once you watch the video, get back in here, then you're going to record your own response. So these are viewable by your classmates. So I know some of you get shy and you don't want your face to show. As long as we can hear your voice, that's fine. Although I love it when you guys show your faces, especially right now since we're distance learning, and I'm going to be desperately trying to learn all your names. All right. So that's how you do the Flipgrid. You don't even have to leave Schoology. You don't have to have an account. I've got that embedded right here for you. There's a grading rubric, and basically you get 5 points for following along and doing each of the things that I've asked you for. So 5 times 6 for a total of 30 points. And the purpose of this, besides kind of adding to our all the good books that we might want to read this year, the purpose of this is really to practice using different types of formats for speaking. That's something that we will use in college, something we'll use at Clayton Valley, and something that you'll use in your career. More and more things being done digitally. All right, so have fun with that, and I look forward to seeing your videos.